everybody. I hope the last 2 weeks of this month of September's assignment, Something You've Never Photographed, has been productive and gone well. So in the last 2 weeks, you should have figured out a subject you've never photographed and developed a plan on how to do it. Now it's time to execute that. When you are done, if you're sharing your photos on Instagram, be sure to hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock and give me an @ because that will help me track your work. And I won't be able to comment on everything, but I will do my best to comment on as much as I can. If you can't or don't use Instagram, feel free to create an album on any of the many options for creating photo albums. Post online. Post a link to that in the comments for this video. I'll approve that link and check out your work, and we'll comment on as many of those as I can. I really look forward to seeing what you do with this assignment, and I'll see you in October.